We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. We gon' burn it down.
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to Shoeperfly. That's Shoeper fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Shoeperfly or a don't buy. So without further ado, Nine West Marina Sandal and gold metallic gray snake print is a snake embossed Marina slide style with a delicate 2 1/3 inch stiletto heel with square toe, slip-on leather upper, man-made lining, and man-made sole slide. Here in a size 8.5, this silhouette is fashioned with a squared off toe and a textural snake print for added sauce. Now, you may have noticed the square toes everywhere, as square toe shoes are one of the biggest shoe trends of 2019 that exploded in 2020 and keeps on going as more mass fashion brands adopt the silhouette for spring, pre-fall, and fall 2020 collection. So expect to see all versions, from unwieldy wide styles to pointy toe pump that look like they were clipped. These 9 West Marina sandals currently are retailing for $79.99, not including taxes, at Macy's.com, but are no longer available in this particular style here. There are only the natural leopard multi at $89, or colors white, light pink, light natural, and black at $79, with free shipping for any item over $25. However, if you want this particular Marina sandal in this exact color, gold metallic gray snake print, they are in stock at 9west.com for $69.99 with other many colors, or you can find them at dsw.com for $79.99 excluding tax, but with free standard shipping applying. While I don't house many 9 West shoes, maybe one other pair currently, 9 West has always been pretty solid until now. I'm sorry, but they missed the mark with these babies. Initially, I was stoked to receive the 9 West Marina sandal and gold metallic gray snake print, as I desperately needed a snakeskin sandal to perfectly match my snakeskin Valentino bag. Oh my God. Don't you think that's a perfect match? Yes, no, maybe. Yeah, it is. See, I just needed a simple sandal with a bit of a kick to help power up a chic black dress, and thought these were the ones. See how well they go together? You can't hate. You can't hate. And I did that on live. I tell you, I got an eye for these things. I got an eye. Toot toot. That's me tooting my own horn for doing that. Okay, anyway. But wrong. Because when I received the 9 West Marina sandal, I was so disappointed. Sure, it matched perfectly. And I was for the square toe. Like, I live for the square toe. But it's just not a Shoeperfly shoe. Sorry, it's a no buy. Given the sandals are not in any way youthful looking in person on your feet and actually look a bit outdated and old. Like, they're gorgeous here, right? But on, now how, you may ask? Well, they're a bit wide around the toes, like wide around the toes. It's not a snug fit with an old-fashioned old ladies look cut. No ageism here. I'm all for my seasoned ladies, but I'm not trying to wear my grandmama shoes. Honestly, I wouldn't even make these Shoeperfly for my grandmama. Despite them being more of a stylish option for those over 65, there's just no stability in the heel while walking. So this little kitten heel on these make them uncomfortable to walk in. And I don't need my grandmama wobbling all over the place, tipping over while walking in these and falling and not being able to get up. Can you say life alert? So a no buy, straight up no buy, no matter the age, no matter the age. Cute though. I see you, 9 West. Can you imagine being on a date and trying to look cute in these and taking a stumble in these itty bitty kitten heels? Another hot trend right now. After choosing to bypass those smoking hot stilettos for fear of wearing because of taking a little misstep or two while trying to be cute and embarrassing yourself. Well, I'd rather break my neck trying to get my Gigi Hadid on than stumble in some itsy bitsy 2-inch heels. That ain't savage. No way. No how. That's right. And never ever wrong. Let me just say this. When 9 West indicated delicate heel, that was an understatement for real. So I'm going to be glad it's a perfect match with my Valentino bag. Or it would be a Shoeperfly return. That's right, ladies. I said it. Ain't no shame in the return game. If it ain't right, it just ain't right. And I'm all right with returning. Just don't return if they're above your budget and you realize you just cannot afford to house them. Because that ain't cute. Just bad taste. Besides, there are many shoe stores and sites out there offering more affordable dupes of trending fashion style. So no need to break the bank and bankrupt yourself, ladies. No need, no need. 9 West has actually become one of those brands, though the American brand has dramatically declined in recent years, closing its stores in 2018 and going strictly online. While you can find the shoes in stores, such as Macy's, you can't find them any longer in 9 West stores of the brand. So they're sort of stuck in the middle trying to find a way back. So it's along the lines now of think Steve Madden, Aldo, and Kohl. Not bad brands. Not bad brands at all. Just not luxury. So when you want your outfit to speak volumes and shoes to add just a bit of a kick, then 9 West ain't a bad way to go. Think of Cardi B when she wears Chanel from head to knee and then blazes her feet with a pair of Fashion Nova heels. Now that's savage, right? At least savage-ish. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.